My cat has a dead bird. See that shit? Max, look.
Holy shit! Awesome, man.
Yeah, that dead bird is not coming in the house. She wants to come into the house with that bird.
That's bought.
But she's not going to.
It's not a head, it's hidden in its mouth.
Nah, the head is right there.
It's just like, it's like it's mental. There.
Wow. That's my cat for you. The spawn of Satan. Just chilling with a dead bird.
Get it.
Shouldn't open that door, cause
I'll eat you.
I don't want that dead bird in here.
It's so cute.
I don't think anyone will.
It's so cute. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat your face.
They're even cute when they kill, says George Carlin.
Oh, so bubbles. Oh, so bubbles. Yeah.